Hello and welcome to the Cyber Education World. In today's video, we will discuss what is a DSCP and how it's work and type of DSCP components. Okay, now DSCP. DSCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DSCP is a system for assigning IP addresses to each network devices known as a host on an organization network. Okay, a host may be a desktop computer, a laptop, a tablet, a smartphone devices, or other type of devices. Each host must have an IP address to communicate with other devices over the internet. The DHCP network protocol assign addresses automatically, okay, rather than requiring network administrator to make manual assignment. DSCP is also responsible for automatically assigning new IP addresses when devices move to new location on the network. In addition to IP addresses, a DSCP server assign configuration parameter like domain name, system addresses, subnet masks, and default gateway, okay, that are initial to network communication. Okay, now how does DSCP work? Okay, when a device like a DSCP client, okay, connect to a network, it send out a broadcast message called DSCP discover, okay, to find the available DSCP server. Any DSCP server that receive the DSCP discover message responds with a discover offer. Responds with a discover offer message. The message included an IP addresses, okay, included an IP addresses and other network configuration detail like subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server. Okay, the client received the DHCP offer message and responds to one of them with a DHCP request. Okay, with a DHCP request message indicating its acceptance of the offer IP address and configuration. Okay, the DHCP server acknowledges the client acceptance with DHCP pack. Okay, DHCP pack message finalizing the lease of the IP address to the client. The client can now use the IP address to communicate on the network. Okay, now DHCP component. DHCP component included as a DHCP server, DHCP client, and DHCP relay. Okay, DHCP server is responsible for automatically assigning IP addresses and additional network parameter to devices connecting to a network. It efficiently manages a pool of available addresses to provide temporary or dynamic IP assignment as needed. Okay, now DHCP client. DHCP client is a network devices that functions as a host and is responsible for receiving information from the DHCP server. Okay, this encompasses any network connectable devices requiring the data from the DHCP server to engage with the network. Okay, now DHCP relay. A DHCP relay is a TCP IP host that facilitates the forwarding of DHCP messages between servers and clients. Its pivotal role is particularly evident in a network infrastructure comprising multiple subnetworks as it enables a single DHCP server to disseminate request information to all clients on the primary network and its associate subnet. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more awesome video. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.